Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's exciting because I'm going to pick up my XV02 from Tamiya. So let's go hop in the car and drive over to the hobby shop. Yeah, I don't know where I'll get there. What's going on? Wait, I already said that already. We're in the car now. That's right, we're in the car. We're going to the hobby shop. Let's go. We have arrived. Shutting car off. Here. Special boxes with my name on them.
What do you want to grab, sir?
The XV02 for sure today. We're gonna have to wait for the other ones. People are going to have to wait until I go back to the carpet. No time for carpet while it's warm outside. Oh, look at that. It's the XV02, guys. We got it! Check back there. Oh my god, it's so exciting! Go, move! Do you know I got an XV02 to build? Alright, let's cut to the home. Bye. Woo! Look at that. Hi there. How you doing? You looking good. I see you looking back at me. Yeah. Alright, let's have a look at this together for the first time. XV02 Pro. Comes in a different style of box. If you've had their racing chassis before, you'll recognize box styling. Ready to assemble electric powered radio control chassis kit. Shaft driven 4-wheel drive system, 4-wheel independent double wishbone suspension, full ball bearings. We are very happy about that, of course. I mean, ball bearings aren't that expensive to buy anyway on top of the kit, but it's still something you usually have to buy. So this have a chassis cover. Looks like it's made of Lexan. Super cool. This side has nothing. This side, ooh, this is cool. Very nice artwork here. Even though it's like a CAD style art, CGI, computer generated, very nice. All right, time to unbox it. Foam for the tires, Raleigh tires. These feel like they don't feel like they're hard compound, but they don't feel like a soft compound either. I don't know what they feel like. Let me see. Actually, these might be the soft compound or medium. I don't know. I have soft compounds. They're softer than this, but I could be wrong. Definitely not the hard compound. The fenders and the cover. So you have to cut all these off and attach it. That'll be interesting. And your typical bag of stuff. Your aluminum drive shaft, it looks like, but not universals, not CVDs. Or double carbons, regular standard. Look at some nice suspension. Looks like some TRF suspension in there. Some stickers, a wibbly wobbly, and your usual paperwork. Let's have a look at what this one says here. Use sponge. Okay, so it says to use sponge for stuff. I'll get to it in the build video. Ooh. This is a new manual. Nice change from all the TTL2s people have been building, I'm sure. And that is the unboxing video. Getting it and unboxing it. I'm going to be doing probably a time-lapse build video. I will not time-lapse the entire thing. I'll stop the time-lapse every time I have something interesting to say or something that caught my attention or my eye. But I'll probably be doing a time-lapse build of this very, very soon. That is the Tamiya XV02 Pro Chassis Kit. It has landed in Ontario, Canada. Let's build it. Make it a great day, everybody. Peace out.